Hello everybody. Yeah, I just bought something. Yeah. I bought this. I just bought like a couple hours ago. Yeah, Colgate. It says how much was that? I think this is $7.96. I believe no tax on these. At first, I only planned to get one. I saw that $3.74 each. And then I looked next to this one. Three of them is $7.96. So I took this one. And when I check out, I thought I have to pay tax, so I give $9 to the cashier. But this was only $7.96, so there's no tax, I guess. Let me see. I have a receipt here. Is it no tax? Yes, no tax. $7.96, and yeah, they give me 4 cent change. Yeah, it's three of them. So it will keep me for a while, so I don't worry about they raise the price up or they stop. Actually it's a short anymore for a while. So anyway, I got it. Yeah, this is they have many different types, but I get this ones because I saw that's a fresh strip, because they have a I didn't read it, but most of the time the color, the green like this, they have a spare mint something like that. So I just thought I just grabbed it. Let me see, do they have? I didn't read it or I didn't check it. I just took a yeah, this one is my fresh with the whitening press strips, and yeah, it's American Mint Farmers. I think I have to go to grab my glasses so I can read for you. You can see that's on the left hand side of you. To me, as my side is the left hand side, but you look at the, yeah, it's the left hand side there. It's a mint. So that's oh, they have in front what I'm talking about. Clean mint here. Did you see it? This is right here. Yeah. It's help a lot for the if you are a type person have allergy with the noise, get something with the mint. They have some mint or spare mint. It's help a lot here. Next time I saw one items. It's help a lot if you have the noise allergy. Probably when I show you, and then they might be raise the price up. But anyway, and then we can figure out another one. Yep, this is 3 value packs. It's a 10x longer lasting cool 10x longer lasting cool, and it's compressed as anti-cavity and fluoride toothpaste. Yep. 6.3 ounces, that's 178 grams. Tubes. One tube is 6.3 ounces, and that's 178 grams. So total network weight is 18.9 ounces or okay, 535 grams, I think. Okay, here. You look at that. Okay, and then in the back they have a tiny little ones too. Yep. Let me go to grab my glasses and then I open. I show you the see inside. And also I will unbox one of the toothbrushes so for you to see how does this look like inside. Okay. Yep. Now I have my glasses. Toothpaste, toothbrush past 10x longer, 10x longer, lasting cool. Mask fresh with the whitening brush strip. Yeah, everything I already read for you to hear. And on the back, concrete, palm Oh, the dish soap. I show you one another time. This is the same with the coming with this one. I guess because they say concrete palm has built a transition. Oh no, sorry, built a tradition of sourcing mint from a local mint farmers over several generations. Most people don't know that the late taste of their concrete toothpaste might have started on a farm not far from where they live. Thank you for helping us support all of our American mint farmers. Level of American mints very proudly working with the American mint farmers. And yeah, that's I think yeah, I read right here. And what's that? Drug process, everything. Direction. Let me see. Active increasing the sodium chloride 0.24% or over 0.15% with fluoride ion. Purpose anti-cavity. Use helps protect against cavities. Whitening keep our brush of children under 6 years of age. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help. Or contact a poison control center right away. Directions: adults and children 2 years of age and older. Brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or physician. Children 2 to 6 years use only a pea-sized amount and supervise child's brushing and rising. They open to minimize the swallowing. Children under 2 years, ask a dentist or physician. Inactive increase. Oh no, my glasses, I cannot read it now. Let me see. Sorbitol water hydrated silica sodium. I cannot read it. Oh. I think inactive increasing I cannot read that session because I probably my eye. No, now I can see it. Inactive increase sorbitol water hydrates silica PEG12 sodium chlorine sulfate flavor cellulose gum tetrasodium pyrophosphate cocamidol I don't know how to read. Okay, I try my best. I cannot read these ingredients. That's chemical stuff. I don't know how to read the name. Okay, I skip that. Gluten free sell water. Turn off the tap while brushing. Okay, here where I read is right here and here. Hope you can see it. I think okay. And anyway, it took too long, is it? Yeah. And open. Yeah, yeah. One, two, and three. Let's have that here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I think this is a this is smell me very good. Let's see, I try to so as you know. Okay, I think here. I think it's good as well. Yeah, I think that's the best one. The best. And then, yep. 3 of them. So let me open. I think I open this one. It's easier. That's it. Alright, yeah, that's it. I don't have my toothbrush here, so I cannot peel all them out for you to see. But anyway, I think it's good enough for you can see it. So yeah, that's the color. I think the color kind of look like this color a little bit. Yeah, it somehow kind of look like with the the box. Or some on here, the side. That kind of nice. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.